In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update book metadata on KDP, an essential skill for any self-publishing author looking to optimize their book's discoverability and sales on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Updating your book's metadata is crucial for ensuring it reaches the right audience and stands out among the thousands of titles available. So let's dive right in and make sure your book has the best chance of success. To begin, we'll first need to navigate to your bookshelf on the KDP dashboard. This is the hub where all your published and draft books are managed. Once you're logged into your KDP account, you'll find this option prominently displayed on the top menu. Head over there to see a list of all your titles. It's your home base for managing everything related to your publications. Next, after you're in the bookshelf, scroll down to the specific title you'd like to update. Once you've located the book, you'll notice an option to Edit Book Details. Click on that, and it will take you to the section where we can make the necessary tweaks and updates. This is a crucial step because the details here directly affect how your book appears and is categorized across Amazon's vast marketplace. Now, with the Edit Book Details page open, you have the powerful opportunity to enhance how potential readers will find your book. You can change the book's title or subtitle if you feel there's a more compelling way to hook readers. Additionally, take time to reconsider your keywords and categories. Keywords are vital for search optimization, so choose words that accurately reflect the themes and genre of your book, while aligning with what potential readers might be typing in the search bar. Categories, on the other hand, determine which bookshelves on Amazon your book appears on. Selecting the most relevant categories can greatly improve your book's visibility and ranking in those sections. After you've completed these adjustments, the final step is to save your changes and republish your book. You'll find the Save and Continue button, which guides you through a quick review process, ensuring that everything is in place. Once you've confirmed your updates, simply republish your book. Remember that it might take a short period for the changes to reflect on the live site, but soon your optimized metadata will be working to attract more readers. And there you have it. Simple yet powerful updates to book metadata on KDP can make a significant impact on your book's visibility and appeal. Regularly revisiting and refining your book's details can lead to new opportunities and successes in your publishing journey. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial.